Hi guys, today we're in Westlands Safari Park and we're doing a little grand tour of Lodge, but first we're going to have a look off here. There's some animals down there, if you can see. I'm not sure if you can see them. Yeah, try and get them. Yeah. Alright, guys, come with me and we'll start the tour. Sorry, I forgot to close the door. Okay, come with me. Come with me and you'll see. Wait, let's go. And this is the cheetah enclosure thing. I'm not sure if they're here. Okay, I don't think they're here, but this is the cheetah enclosure thing. And we're going back to our lodge right now, which is just here. Sorry, I have to get a camera down. You'll see our class here. And let's have a little tour of our lodge. Wait, this is ours, isn't it? Okay. Yeah, so, I'm watching some Ian. Yes. And, table, sofa, some little tables here. And there's a little balcony here. Let's go out, have a look. Oh, some ducks on there. There's some ducks here. And at my sister's lodge house thing, there actually sometimes an elephant comes, and we might do a video next of an elephant. Oh, there's an elephant over there, yeah. If you can see it, guys, there's actually an elephant over there. I'm not too sure if you can see it, but and anyway, I think that might be it. Oh, okay, there's something else. What else is there? Oh, upstairs. Sorry, I forgot about upstairs. By the way, my sister's lodge is exactly the same as this lodge, so there's no difference. And oh, there's the elephant. You can probably see it really good now. There's the elephant, and yeah, let's go. So, there's one more room we have to show you, by the way. is my grandma's room. Here's the little balcony we was on first, and I think that might be it, guys. Is it? I think that might be it, guys. Oh, there's some stuff in these cupboards. Oh wait, I didn't realise this is really fancy. Like you push down on it to open. Wait, come on. Show them. Oh my gosh. Shower. Toilet. And this is actually really fancy. You have to push down for them to open. I didn't realise that. But anyway, this is the little kitchen. We have our cup of teas in. And I think that it is.
Let's see the guards. Show you again.
Hi guys, today we're at a safari park, and we're at like a light show thing, like basically a lantern show, and these are all the dinosaur things, and I think that's it. Like, subscribe, and bye.
Let's see the guards. Show you again.
How did he eat it like that?
No, she just carried it. Like paparazzi, please. Oh, she punctured it on her tusk.
Is that a boy or a girl, I think?
It's a girl, it's a mom.